Okay, a Bosch jigsaw. There we go. Tool holder. That's not going to hold anything. Yeah, totally gone. Replace that. Give us a wee clean out too. Bit of sawdust getting in there. So this comes as one complete kit. That's your part number there. On the lifting rod and everything. Just needs to be swapped out. This one also needs a clean. So, ignoring the fact that I took the base and the guide off, change this on its own. Just turn the fan of the motor so the actual roller is down at the bottom. That can just lift up, pull out. You just slide the new one on, away you go. But see, there's so much sawdust in this one. Just also going to give it a wee clean. Would be alright if it didn't, because there's no real seal in this machine. Sawdust just getting on along with the plunger. Does eventually build up, but as soon as we have it opened, just easier just to clean it out now. Right, that's it a bit cleaner. Now to re-grease it. A heavy gear grease is what you want here. Don't want anything light, because these aren't totally sealed. If you put lighter stuff on, the lighter stuff will just work its way back out again. Now, you're doing this wee job, you're more than likely going to drop this wee pin. That just slides in there. That's the kick for your guide, roller guide. Same as before, that at the bottom. That goes on the top. The roller goes onto the slot. The trickiest part is to get in these two washers and the seal into the correct spot. So they sandwich together and they have to fit on here. That's it. This relief spring just pushes down in there. Let's just give it a resistance. Keep the tool holder pushed back. Very easy job to do. Now, that should be her. Quick fit. Automatically snaps on. Spot on. Nice one.